Hi friends, welcome to Jogo Coaching. In this video, I will explain about what is RAID log used for project management in both Waterfall and Agile, along with few examples from the real-time project. First, let's understand what is RAID log. RAID log is a project management tool used to track and manage risks, assumptions, issues, and dependencies in a project. First letter of risk, assumptions, issues, and dependencies are taken to form the name RAID. RAID log is used in both waterfall and agile projects. RAID log helps to ensure critical project uncertainties are captured and continuously monitored and addressed proactively. Let us understand the RAID components in detail. You can see the below table for each component and the description. The first component is risk. Risk is a potential problem that may affect project success in the future. Risks are managed before they occur. This is risk. The second component is assumptions. Assumptions are the things assumed to be true but not yet validated. Okay, it's assumed but not yet validated. They may affect the planning and execution. Not now, it may. The third one is issues. Issues are the problems that are currently happening and needed the resolution. Issues may impact the project results if it is not closed. The fourth one is dependencies. Dependencies are the tasks or deliverables that rely on other teams, other projects, or other third parties. This may affect the team's work if the dependencies are not handled properly. So the first one risk is the potential problem that may affect. The second one is assumption. Okay, things are assumed to be true but not yet validated. The third one is issues. Okay, already we have a problem and we need to resolve it. Dependency is some tasks or deliverables are depending on other teams or third parties. So this is the explanation for the RAID components. So these things will be captured in a template to track it for closure. That is called RAID log. So now let us understand the RAID log with an example from a software development project. Let us assume we are working on an agile project to develop a customer relationship management CRM system. You can see this table with the categories of risk, assumptions, issues, and dependencies with the status, impact, mitigation or action plan along with the owners assigned to each line item. So this is the table. You can create this table in Excel sheet to track RAID. The first example is risk. Okay, here the description is new data privacy law may require a rework of user data module. So here we are seeing a risk, okay, related to data privacy law that needs some work in the product. The owner is product owner. This impact will be very high. And what is the mitigation or action plan? Consult a legal early and design for compliance. Okay, so this is the risk we are foreseeing that should be addressed, and we need to talk to the legal team to do some work for the product. And the status is open, and this can be closed once it's addressed. The second example is assumption. The example is API from third-party payment processor will support real-time callback. So we are assuming that the third-party payment process may support. This is assigned to the technical lead. So we are seeing as a medium uh, impact. And here we need to validate with the vendor in the sprint one whether this will support or not. We are assuming that we need to validate it. This is the assumption. The third one is issue. Sprint velocity dropped by 20% due to team members leave. So here some problem already happened. That is called issue. The responsibility is with the Scrum Master. The impact is medium. What we need to do, action plan is replan sprints and possibly extend the iterations if needed. Some actions we need to do it. So it is in progress. The fourth example is dependency. UX team needs to deliver wireframe before development can start. Okay, here development team is depending on the UX team to get the wireframe or the designs. Okay, so there is a dependency. In case the UX team is not delivering as per the date, then it will impact the development delivery. This is assigned to the UX lead and the impact is high. And the action plan is add UX deliverables to sprint backlog. That way, in every day daily Scrum meeting, this will be checked, the status will be checked, and the dependency will be tracked. So this is the simple example for risk, assumptions, issues, and dependency. Okay, hope this is clear to you. Now we can learn few tips about how to use the RAID log and when to use the RAID log. First, use the RAID log as a simple shared document or Jira or conference page. The second one is update the RAID log during key ceremonies, mainly after every daily Scrum meeting. The third one is use any boards or Kanban reports and track RAID item across the statuses. The fourth one is make it visible to all stakeholders for shared ownership so that the people who are depending on something or people who owns the dependency will work together and have the visibility about all things. This is including risk issues as well. When to use the RAID log? During daily stand-ups. There we can capture the issues and blockers that can be added to the RAID log. Okay, during the daily Scrum meeting, we can capture it. During the sprint planning meeting, there we can capture the assumptions and dependencies to plan the backlog items due date. During the retrospective meeting, you capture or revisit the risk and issues to see if that is closed or mitigated successfully as part of the sprint. The next one is during Scrum of Scrums. Okay, if we have multiple Scrum teams working on the same product, a RAID log will help in managing cross-team dependencies. Or within the team also, between the team members, we can manage the dependencies in a small team. So these are all few tips and the situations where the RAID log will help the team to deliver quickly without any issue. I will post the next video with 25 examples of RAID log scenarios from real-time project. So watch the next video that will be coming in few days. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel and leave your questions and comments below. If you are looking for one-on-one coaching or training about Agile concepts, career progress, please contact us through the email mentioned in this slide. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.